Hello everyone, welcome to the Brain Changers. Here we are going to tell you about top 3 diet plans you can choose based on your body type and fitness goal. So stay tuned. Are you tired of your fat loss journey? Not sure which diet plan to follow? Don't have time to experiment different diet plans and want to see the results quickly? No problem. You don't have to do this experiment because somebody has already done it for you. In this video, we are going to talk about 3 diet plans which you can follow to achieve your fitness milestones. Also, we'll share the relevant link in the comment section so you can do your own research before start your journey. So if you didn't subscribe the channel or follow us on Facebook yet, so we have a strong reason why you should subscribe and follow this channel. In this busy schedule, you don't have time to pick up the relevant information from the plethora of content available on internet. Hence, we are going to do that research for you and will provide you the best possible information free of cost. And you can pay your gratitude by liking, sharing and following our videos. Is it fair enough? Alright. So also, in the end of the video, I'll give you a piece of advice which will help you to take the decision. So, please watch the video till the end. Alright. So here is the diet number 1, Paleo diet. As the name suggests, Paleo diet concept came from ancestors. Nobody exactly know what human ancestor ate in different parts of the world, but several researchers believe they used to eat whole foods which helped them to reduce chances of diseases like obesity, diabetes and heart disease. So, the main purpose of this diet is to eat whole foods and avoid the processed food. So let's see how this works. Alright, so following Paleo diet means eating whole foods, lean protein, vegetables, fruits, nuts and seeds while discouraging processed foods, sugar, dairy and grains. Some more flexible version of Paleo diet also allow for dairy like cheese and butter. But I would suggest if you are following this diet, so you can replace normal tea with the green tea. But don't drink ginger tea or any sugar tea. Now, most of the people ask this question, what will be the effect of this diet? Alright, so many researchers have shown that Paleo diet can lead to a significant weight loss and reduced waist loss. In this study, Paleo dieters automatically eat much fewer carbs, more protein and 300 to 900 fewer calories per day. There are some other benefits. This diet seems effective at reducing risk factors for heart disease such as cholesterol, blood sugar and blood pressure. There are some downsides of this Paleo diet as well. So this diet eliminates whole grains, legumes and dairy which are healthy and nutritious. Except the weight loss, eating full-on Paleo is inadequate for people like iron lifters or bodybuilders, strength seekers and athletes. Our workout and physical goals require more than what allowed on Paleo. So more carbs, advanced workout nutrition and fast digesting protein. We don't just get away with eating processed food, we thrive on it. So if your goals are bodybuilding competition or running a marathon, so please don't follow this Paleo diet. Diet number 2 is intermittent fasting. So many of you guys heard about intermittent fasting because intermittent fasting is very popular in health and fitness industry. So what exactly intermittent fasting is? Well, intermittent fasting meaning you will eat and fast at a certain time. Remember, you cannot eat any potato chips or sago polenta, in Hindi called sabudana badi, like most of the Indians do. Fasting means pure fasting, where you will drink lots of water without eating anything. The good point about this diet is rather than restricting the food you eat, it controls when you eat them. So you can eat your favorite food, although I prefer to eat healthy food for faster results rather than junk food. So good point about this diet is rather than restricting your food you eat, it controls when you eat it. And you can eat your favorite food, but you gotta remember that eat healthy food rather than junk food. So the most popular ways to do intermittent fastings are: number 1, 16/8 method. It involves skipping breakfast and restricting your daily eating period to 8 hours, subsequently fasting for remaining 16 hours. Although you can have your breakfast, but you will have to have your dinner at 4 a.m. if you eat your breakfast at 8 a.m., which is impossible, at least for me. Number 2, the eat stop eat method. It involves 24 hours fast once or twice per week on non-consecutive days. Number 3, the 5:2 diet. On 2 non-consecutive days of the week, you restrict your intake to 500 to 600 calories. You don't restrict intake on 5 remaining days. The last one and number 4 is the warrior diet. Eat small amount of raw fruits and vegetable during the day and one huge meal at night. That's crazy. So you must be questioning how it works. So intermittent fasting is commonly used for weight loss because it leads to relatively easy calorie restriction. It can make you eat fewer calories overall as long as you don't overcompensate by eating much more during the eating periods. So you must be thinking about how it helps on weight loss. Alright, so this diet plan is best compared to other weight loss diet as you can lose 3 to 8% of weight in just 3 to 24 weeks. If you are worried about the muscle loss, then this diet plan is suitable for you as it causes less muscle loss than standard calorie restriction. It may increase your metabolic rate by 3.6 to 14% in the short term. There are some other benefits shown by animal studies which suggest that it may help new brain cells grow, lengthen lifespan, and protect against Alzheimer's disease and cancer. There are some downsides of intermittent fasting. Although intermittent fasting is safe for well-nourished and healthy people, it does not suit everyone. Also, you cannot hang out with friends who enjoy late-night parties. Some studies note that it's not beneficial for women as it is for men. People who should avoid this diet: those sensitive to drop in blood sugar levels, pregnant women, breastfeeding moms, teenagers, children, and people who are malnutrition, underweight, or nutrient deficient. So, diet number 3, low carb diet. Atkins and keto are the most popular low carb diet which are beneficial for the weight loss, diabetes management, and heart health. Atkins is little flexible and easy to follow compared to keto as you can gradually increase the carb while it remains very low on keto diet, allowing your body to stay in ketosis and burn ketones for energy. So we'll talk about Atkins as it's easier to follow. There are 3 types of Atkins diets. Number 1, Atkins 20. If you have more than 40 pounds to lose or are pre-diabetic or diabetic, you gotta follow Atkins 20. Number 2, Atkins 40. If you have less than 40 pounds to lose, need a great variety of foods right from the beginning, or are pregnant or breastfeeding, Atkins 40 is for you. Number 3, Atkins 100. If you want to live a healthy lifestyle and maintain your current weight, want the widest variety of food choices, are breastfeeding with a goal to maintain weight, or are pregnant, Atkins 100 is for you. Alright, so did you guys try Atkins? If yes, tell us about your experience in the comment section. As Atkins 20 is the most popular, let's talk about that. It's broken into 4 phases. So phase number 1 is induction. This phase allows for 20 to 25 grams of net carbs per day until you lose 15 pounds or 7 kg. In phase number 2, you consume 20 to 50 grams of net carbs per day until you lose 10 pounds or 5 kg. In phase number 3, your net carbs allowance is raised to 50 to 80 grams per day until you have met your goal weight and maintain it for 1 month. During phase 4, which is a final phase, you consume 80 to 100 grams of net carbs per day for ongoing weight maintenance. This is super cool, right? In phase 4, you can eat whatever you want. However, even during phase 4, which allows up to 100 grams of net carbs per day, you consume significantly fewer carbs than most people normally eat. Atkins diets are very successful in reducing belly fat and weight loss. But if you are concerned about muscle loss, then yes, this diet plan is not also for you. Alright, a tip which I promised you in the beginning of the video. So this is your tip. Please don't get fooled and try to make your own diet plan based on the videos you watch on YouTube. Every person has different body type, sugar levels, and health condition. My intention in this video and next videos would be to give you a sufficient knowledge so that you can discuss your diet plan with your dietitian or gym trainer rather than just listen to what they are recommending and get deceived like most of the people who don't have any knowledge about diet. If you want to join the group of like-minded people who want to live a healthy life, so please follow our page on Facebook, and I am leaving the link in the description below. If you want to get more valuable knowledge which will help you to get rid of your limiting belief and achieve your goals, so please subscribe the channel, share with people who you love and want to see succeeding, and press the bell icon for next set of videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.